Realizing that you are not your story is a quantum leap in self-discovery. Hi, I'm Mark Matousek, and I'm looking forward to my one-day workshop in London on June the 2nd called You Are Not Your Story, in association with Alternatives. We create narratives about ourselves that aren't true, and we live by these fictions as if they were fact. We're going to be looking in this workshop at the stories that we use to live by, how they limit us, where we're inauthentic, how we can reinvent these stories and transcend them to create new ways of being and fresh solutions to the problems that we're facing. I'll be guiding you through a series of writing exercises targeted to help you discover what these stories are. We'll do couples work, group work, and you'll have one-on-one time with me as well. This is going to be a powerful and eye-opening workshop, and I hope so much you'll be able to join us. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to let me know. Otherwise, I hope to see you on June the 2nd for You Are Not Your Story in London. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.